My name's David Waldman. I live here with my wife, Deborah. We really loved it here. We're moving on, we're retiring, so we're moving away. Definitely have some sadness about it, but it's time. So this was the house to hang out. In the summer, we're out on the deck a lot because of the pool and the basketball court. That's just a nice plus, I think. To always feel like there's a recreation and fun, and you're right there. This room, which turns out to be my wife's office, we call it the Caribbean room. It feels very light and there's a lot of nice feelings. This office, where the TV is, and the deck are the places where I pretty much hang out. And of course the kitchen has a nice place to sit. And we just put some new flooring in it, which I think makes it look more contemporary. We have 3 levels, 3 bedrooms, so that it always feels just a nice vibe to that. The basement also has another room. The oldest boy wanted to get away from us. He would use that as his bedroom. Let me tell you about this neighborhood, Signal Hill. There's a trail right down the street, which is fabulous for dogs. If you have children, especially, we're very close to Lake Braddock Secondary School. They can walk right there. So it's a very, very family-friendly neighborhood. It's interesting, when I first moved here from the district, I was a little unsure if there'd be enough action. But there's stuff to do here. There's movie theaters and restaurants. There's Lake Accotink up the street, which is really convenient. And if you're interested in shopping, we've got shopping everywhere, all within about 2-3 miles in every direction. George Mason University's right up the street. The Eagle Bank Arena, all kinds of shows are there. So there's action out here. This is really close, but not right on top of, but really close to 395, 495, Fairfax County Parkway. In fact, I've commuted to Georgetown for about 25 years. Pretty good. It's not an awful commute at all. It's a decent commute. The VRE is right around the corner. With Amazon coming, the VRE goes right to that area. Also, although it's a little further, it's not that far, is the Springfield Metro. So you got the Springfield Metro, you got the VRE, and you have all these highways that kind of interconnect very closely to this area. So it's a great place to commute from. It would be 24 years I've been here. So this is really kind of my home as an adult, older adult. So yeah, I will miss this place. But it is time. I'm retiring. It's time to move on, I suppose. But it's been a year-long letting go.